Hey guys, Brandon here with Slingmods.com, and today we have an impressive replacement LED fog light system for the Can-Am Spyder F3. Introducing the new 2-in-1 replacement LED fog light system for the Can-Am Spyder F3. These fog lights are completely plug and play. Even if your F3 didn't come equipped with the factory fog lights, the harness to power these is already on board. These fog lights have two LED systems integrated into one housing. The first is a C-shaped LED that runs as a daytime running light and has been designed to mimic the F3 front shroud for a facelift that's sure to catch onlookers by surprise. The second is an LED fog light that emits a pure bright white light and includes an OEM style push button dash switch to keep that factory OEM look. Now that we got your attention, let me walk you through the installation process so you can install these bad boys at home. Start by taking off your side panels by first removing this access door and then removing the 4 Torx bolts and 3 push pins from both sides of the bike. Then unscrew this Torx bolt in order to remove the blank fog light cover from both side panels. Now take the backing plates from the kit and mount the C brackets with the 2 bolts and nuts. Next, you can take your fog light and mount it to the bracket, making sure that the fog light's direction is how you want it to look when mounted to the bike. And then do the same for the other bracket. The 2 bolts on the side mount on the inside of the bike, so this fog light will be mounted on the left-hand side of the bike. Now locate these 3 holes on the bike and line up your assembled fog light, and then insert the 3 bolts followed by a washer on the back and top it off with a nut. And then tighten them all down. Next, take the main harness from the kit and connect it to the harness on the bike. Oh yeah, and be sure to take off this cap first. And then slide it back into place. Now fish the other end of the harness with the 2 clips up to the access panel. But connect one to the fog light you just installed. and then fish the other one across to the access panel on the other side of the bike and down where the other fog light will be mounted. Next, you can take the other fog light and bolt that one up the same way you mounted up the other side. Now connect that fog light and then go back through and safely secure all your wires up and out of the way with some zip ties. Next, you'll need to remove your key in order to unscrew this locking ring, which will allow you to lift up this panel and unclip the fog light wire. Make sure you don't lose that wire since that's what your button connects to. Then take your button and remove the locking nut. Then pop out the blank cap on the key panel so you can run your button's wires through that hole and cap it with the nut to lock it in place. And then connect the button to the fog light harness. Now you can put the key panel back on, followed by the locking ring. And that's it. Now you can put all your panels back on your bike. As you can see, this gives your F3 a stunning new look both during the day and at night. So let us light the way for you by picking up your very own set at slingmods.com today. And be sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already for the latest and greatest mods for the Can-Am Spyder. I'm Brandon signing out. Till next time.